Before you think about giving up today, remember this: you're not tired because you're weak. You're tired because you've been strong for too long without a strategy. And in the next few minutes, you're going to learn 5 science-based fixes that don't just motivate you, but restore your energy so you can actually study with clarity. Welcome back to Motivation Facts Hub, where we break down powerful psychological principles to help you learn faster, think better, and stay consistent every single day. Today's video is dedicated to every student who sits down to study and says, "I'm tired, I just can't start." If that's you, stay with me because these 5 facts will change the way you study forever, and each one comes with a simple fix you can apply today. Fact 1. Your brain is not tired. Your focus is tired. Sometimes you feel exhausted, but the truth is your brain is not lacking energy. It's lacking variety. When you stare at the same material for too long, your focus system wears out, not your body. Fix. Use the 20/20ths method. Study for 20 minutes, then switch tasks or perspective for 20 seconds. Look at something far away. Stand up, shake your hands, breathe deeply. This resets your mental focus without requiring long breaks. You'll be surprised how often a tired brain suddenly wakes up the moment you change the type of task. Fact 2. Motivation drops when you don't know why you're studying. Fatigue is amplified when you don't have a clear purpose. Your brain loves clarity more than effort. When it doesn't see a reward, it shuts down your energy. Fix. Before studying, take 10 seconds to ask yourself, what will improve in my life if I finish this chapter today? Maybe it's your future career, maybe it's less stress tomorrow, maybe it's proving something to yourself. Attach meaning, and the tiredness reduces dramatically. Notice how your body becomes lighter the moment your mind sees a destination. Fact 3. You are not physically tired, you're emotionally overloaded. Your mind carries stress from comparisons, expectations, pressure, and fear of failure. This creates emotional fatigue masquerading as physical tiredness. Fix. Use the 2-minute emotional reset. Sit back, close your eyes, and breathe slowly while counting backwards from 60. This interrupts your stress cycle and lowers cortisol levels so your brain can restart. Most students don't know this, but reducing emotional stress can give you more energy than drinking coffee. Fact 4. Your brain doesn't hate studying. It hates starting. The hardest part of studying is the first 30 seconds. Once you begin, your brain switches into task mode and the resistance drops dramatically. Fix. Use the 30-second rule. Tell yourself, I will open the book for just 30 seconds. No pressure to finish anything. Once your brain is inside the task, it naturally continues because momentum takes over. Your brain is lazy only before starting. After you start, it becomes unstoppable. Fact 5. You don't need more time. You need energy scheduling. Most students study at the wrong time. They try to force intense tasks when their brain is already low on energy. This makes everything feel 3 times harder. Fix. Identify your personal energy peak. For some people it's early morning. For others it's late evening. Schedule the most difficult topics during your strongest energy window. Suddenly, the same work feels easier and takes less time. This one shift alone can double your productivity without increasing your effort. And here's the interesting part. If you combine these 5 facts for just 7 days, you'll experience something surprising. Your brain will start craving study sessions instead of resisting them. Because studying will no longer feel like draining power. It will feel like activating power. If these insights helped you, hit the like button so YouTube knows to show this to more students who need it. Subscribe to Motivation Facts Hub for more scientifically backed motivation that actually works. And tell me in the comments, which of these 5 facts are you going to apply first? Your journey continues from here. Stay focused, stay powerful, and never stop improving.